What is a robot? According to ESA, an industrial robot is an automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multi-purpose manipulator programmable in 3 or more axes, which can be either fixed in place or mobile for use in industrial automation applications. Where did the word robot came from? It comes from the Czech word robota, which means servitude, forced labor, or drudgery. It was first used in 1921 by Karel Čapek in his play Rossum's Universal Robots. The 3 laws of robotics. First, a robot may not injure a human being, or by failing to act, allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey orders given to it by human beings, except where carrying out those orders would break the first law. Third, a robot must protect its own existence, as long as the things it does to protect itself do not break the first or second law. Robot classification depends on 5 things: their basic structure, their application, their power source, their degrees of freedom, and their movement. Rotational joints are the most common type of articulations on robots, as they provide a great amount of freedom to work. This can be observed especially in the angular and spherical arms. The more axes of rotations they have, the easier it is to perform complex tasks.